In a successful business, people make all the difference. We really do work together to give the absolute best service possible. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. We really work extremely hard to provide the best possible service, and we're proud to know that according to our reviews, people appreciate our efforts and agree that we're doing a great job. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you. Have a great day!